There it went.
Okay, we are giving directions. We're telling people how to go somewhere. Okay, directions. I give you directions all the time. I explain things. Notice this is the sign for that. I use that all the time. 9.5, we're talking about telling and giving directions. Next to, it's next to, across from. Okay, so what happens is we have an intersection. It's a cross, right? My fingers, we do an intersection. It becomes corners, okay? So we're telling from corner to corner. We can go across corners. We can go across, adjacent, okay? Across one street to the next street. So up here we have the same thing, street, street. So the street out here in front of me, this is Bristol Street. Okay? The street that comes up to the next intersection where there's a stoplight, this is Homewood. Homeland. Okay? Then up here there's another light.
Your arm was in the way. I've got to stand differently.
Okay.
I'm sorry.
Homeland, and then this is another one. This is Cobblestone. Okay, so and my house is here, and this is County Road 15. Okay, so this is an intersection. Okay, so we can tell where things are from corner to corner, from corner to corner to corner to corner, from corner to corner to corner to corner. Now remember, it's all about perspective. So I'm going to take this corner and I'm going to put it right, this intersection, put it right in front of me. Okay, we're going to use our non-manuals. The non-manuals are key to this. All right, so if I make a corner here on my left and I point here closest to my body, this has to go clenched teeth. Everybody hates this face, but it's very important. You're going to hear people say E, 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 okay? That's not how they write it. They write it CS, which means near. This is the left. Left then becomes, this is or far. Okay? Or fa. This is left. These are right, 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 fa, think Shrek, okay, right, CS, CS means near, here, so you have to make your decision. Remember, your perspective is here. What is closest to my body is E. Notice I can make both fingers go, one or the other. I'm going E or I'm going all the way down, okay? That will tell you how far you are from a place. We also have to have a reference point. Notice this is my home. So if I give you the intersection, okay, you can, that cross is there. I don't have to, actually make all the corners first and then reference my house here. I can say this street, this is Bristol, this is Bristol Street. Here, E is my home, here. Across from my home is another subdivision. Some of you are doing really good on your homework with this, but who's near in your neighborhood? You were just talking houses. Remember, reference point, non-dominant hand. So if you're dominant right, you reference with this, hold, and move. Okay, if I'm left-handed, this stays, but notice I can use either or when giving directions. It doesn't matter as long as one with one hand shape stays put while the other one's moving. You can't do this unless they're the same hand shape. Okay? Basically, that's all that's in 9.5. other than you have to tell on the corner in the intersection where something is across from, next to, so you can have lots of buildings on one piece of this in area. So remember, the street, as I go forward, we can have buildings, we can have a fire station, we can have a Starbucks, we can have a grocery store. Boom, boom, boom. They can all be next to her. So then you count, like it's the third house on the right. So when you give directions, how do you give directions? You have to be thinking about that. Do you count buildings? Do you count streets? Some of you are very landmarky, meaning you're just going to tell me a landmark, I'm going to look for that, and you're going to go, oh, across from that. And everybody will go, oh, okay. Other people are like, you got, intersections, how many lights, how many stop signs, all of those. So good luck. Wait for the next video.